So dito na tayo guys sa Natural Bridge. Ayan. Maglalakad tayo ng malayo.
Kasama ang natural beauty.
Ha? Natural beauty. So mga ilang steps daw yan? 130 steps, 6 pababa. Wow. Good luck pabalik.
Bye guys.
Good luck ang pagbalik. Ayan na guys yung pababa oh. Hala.
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 Ayan na.
Ano siya?
Umpisa na to ng bababa guys.
1, 2, 3.
Ilan na?
Huwag tayo magbilang.
Ha?
Huwag tayo magbilang.
Hindi na tayo magbibilang? Okay. Yun, may sapa guys oh. Huh. Ang ganda naman dito. Yan. Tingnan natin dyan. Silipin mo yan. Meron daw dyan. Sabi, at that time traveling tree of life. Saan yan? White cedar. Oh, they're called white cedar. Yung mga yan. Hello. Mga seats dito. May bird. Yan.
So guys, this is the entrance. After your 136 steps, I'm going to check your ticket. If you don't have your ticket, you need to purchase your ticket before you enter. So we're now entering to Natural Bridge.
Yay.
They said the Natural Bridge is just around the corner.
Okay.
Natural
Ayan na yung natural beach. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na pala guys. May isda oh. Look at the fish. Daming fish oh. Pwede ka mag-fishing dito. Tilapia oh.
Lapit ko lang ako dito. Thank you. Hindi, pause mo na.
Go. Okay. Ito tayo sa ilalim ng Natural Bridge. Amazing, no? Wow. So na-form to ng ano, stream.
Force ko na
May animal doon, no? Anong animal to? Otter ba yan?
24 feet on the ground.
Yeah.
I see a square. A square.
I think this is supposed to be it. Yeah. That's the initials.
Anong hayop yan?
GW.
Spotted?
You see other initials around it.
Natural sources, natural forests like this. Pangarap ko talaga yung mga gandang spot and maging public trust. Kaya sa katuparan namin.
So this is the Hemlock Island, guys. There are carvings on the trunk of the tree here, guys. And this is vandalism. Ramjan? Is there an island?
I don't see an island, but I can see a rock.
Maybe those are the islands.
Rocks.
Maybe those are the islands, the rocks, the big rocks. Maybe that. But this is the area. Punta tayo sa cave, guys.
Guys, let's go.
Saan?
Hey,
Sa cave.
see that water?
Hmm.
See the bridge?
Papunta, galing doon ng ano, falls. Doon tayo. Sabi. This is the cave.
It says don't climb up the rock. Okay. Because when you climb up the rocks, your cat will kill you.
So, ganito lang ang cave. Dali! Pasok tayo doon. Tara na. Pasok tayo. Lamig oh. Aray ka. Wow. Ganda oh. Malamig dito. May anaconda kaya dito? Ha? Ito lang yung cave. May nitrates daw dito dati. Wow. May fish oh. Okay. Wow, lost and found. Ito siya guys.
Dati ang title niya The Lost River.
Ah.
Ngayon, Lost and Found.
Lost and found na.
Good job. I like it.
Let's take a look. Can we go inside? Ooh. The river, underground river guys. Tama. Wow, lamig. Ayan o. Saan ka galing?
Lost and Found River. And for the first time, I'm right.
You
You burned.
burned. Burned. Oo nga. So we're here at Maze Waterfall.
There is a bird. Yeah, see that bird?
Oh, there's a bird. That's the bird. Ito na nga guys, naka-encounter kami ng ahas. Dalawa pa.
Katabi sila.
Magkatabi sila, nakapatong dyan sa ganyan, oh, sa bato. Dun sa una-unahan. Tingnan natin kung nandun pa. Nakita rin ng mga ibang hikers. Pabalik na tayo guys sa land bridge. Natural bridge. La, uulan. May sasakyan. Nag-i-echo yung sasakyan guys. Ayan na. Wow. Ganda talaga dito guys. Amazing. May mga upuan dito para manood. Ayan oh. Dito pa yung otter. Nandiyan pa rin. Ay, yung humuhuni guys. Sa malayong lugar.
Picture mo tayo.